Hey, I hope everybody's doing well. I just wanted to jump in and show you guys our what we do at Kingdom Property Solutions, and I use my other company, Oceans Digital Agencies software platform to do this. It is a social media planner. So as you see, we got this is for January. We just did it today. We started, so we put these in. But here's the really cool thing. So this actually will do for all these platforms. So when I do that one post in this platform, it puts it in my Google business and it makes it that it configures to it. And then as you scroll down, it also did Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So it configures to all those different platforms and it just makes it a lot easier. So to give you an idea, um, we'll go into here to content, reoccurring. So it took me about an hour and a half to do these, but I did this one, this one, this one, and this one today. So I'm booked up until June 28th. Like this one here is going to go run Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. This one's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. And this one is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So we're always getting content out there. So we did essentially 287 posts. And again, it's just four different ones, but these four were big ones for us last year that we got a lot of engagement from customers on. So why not use them? And so we'll just push them out until they start not performing as well, and then we'll change them up. But essentially, it's going out to four different platforms. So it's like over 1,100, almost 1,150 different things of content we put out on a total of four platforms in a matter of an hour and a half. Uh, if this piques your interest, let me know because we all know that time is something we never get back. And if we can utilize that time doing another estimate that or closing another deal. So, yeah, give me a call. Let's see if I can help you streamline some things and show you what other great features our CRM has. We do a lot with voice AI. Uh, we've been doing a lot with AI chatbots as well. We build custom ones for your business and that help streamline things for you. So, give me a call, shoot me a DM, something, and look forward to it talking to you guys and have a great weekend.